breathe. Tell me how I ain't breathing.
That's it, man.
That shit fucked up, man. If I got someone I can't hear them breathe, I'm not gonna keep my hand on there so they can't breathe.
But listen here, though. Look at your side and look at my side.
It don't matter.
It don't matter.
Yo, when we get through with this shit, we gonna be at interview part 19.
Word, shit. Yo, part 3. All right, just now, while we was watching the other interview, in the middle of the other interview, you stated that you did not get choked out. Is that what happened?
Your balance.
You lost your balance. Is that what happened here?
No, I didn't do that. No, I was over here. I was out of breath, and he freaking. He took me down because my weight was going down with him. And then once I got down there, I couldn't breathe at all. So he grabbed me, and that's when I went out. he didn't like.
So when he started out,
yeah, he choked me out. But I mean, that was after he had dragged me. I was already trying to catch my breath.
So
in the
what
first
is your
place.
problem? No, I'm just saying. What's your issue on this whole thing?
What's my issue? I couldn't breathe. I mean, I've choked a man out before, and I couldn't hear him breathing. Then I let go. But I mean, I can hear someone that can't breathe. I'm not gonna get my arm there. I just don't like how my arm. That I was just sitting there like I can't breathe, and he's not letting go. After like 3 seconds, I'm on the ground. I can't even get a breath in.
So
Spotlight on me.
So
we should
now
stop.
I just admitted that the nigga beat me.
He
But
dropped
he get beat by another nigga.
no, he beat me, but he never dropped me.
he beat you. So you got beat though.
So
I got equally, man.
Okay, now it's official. It is now official. Now we can't go here. The champ is here. The champ is here. Yes, that's what we need.
Does he get a shot at after I just dropped 2 people one night?
Hold on, you had your shout outs already. You had your shout outs when it's your time to get shot out.
You shout out.
You want your shout out? You want your shout out?
Say.
Shout out.
Hold on, wait. You don't want to send a shout out?
Okay.
I want to shout out. No, let me say.
Give a shout out.
Shout out to the ground with no hands.
Shout out to Waverly.
Word, Waverly, up boy, man.
Shout out to
And
Master Hill. No, let me say.
So you didn't get dropped. What exactly happened? What did you get?
No, my weight fell with him, like he said.
Okay, so
you're tired of what?
So after you got choked out, he flipped you to the floor. What do you call that move?
What the hell? I can't breathe. I'm gonna lay down on my back, try to get a breath in.
So you laid down on your back. He didn't flip you to your back. That's what you're saying.
You rolled the fuck over and lay down yourself.
I ain't saying nothing else because I just dropped 2 people. I don't give a damn.
All right.
Ain't no one brought me this hype in there like I did them two. So.
Oh, he's fucking reckless.
So now it's not about fighting. It's about how high you
or some shit.
Your skills.
No, but I don't go and choke someone. I can't breathe.
Hell no.
Oh yeah, you lucky this interview time is up though.
Because we in the burbs.
Oh shit.
I said if a man can't breathe when I get on my neck, I'm not gonna keep my arm there.
Jimmy, give some shout outs. Who you gonna shout out, Jimmy?
To the ground.
What's happening? We in here, Ashley, baby.
But listen, that was a good fight because I mean I hung in there and I couldn't go no more.
No, you didn't hang in there. You put up the deuces. Remember you tapped out.
He was
You tapped out. You tapped out. Hold on, wait. Let me ask the crowd. Let me ask the judges. Hold up.
Yo, I think
Did he tap out?
I didn't tap out.
You tapped out?
Touch anyone.
You tapped out?
It was more like this. It was a TKO.
Did he tap out?
Hell, fuck yeah.
He tapped out? Tapped out? That last one was official though. That last one made it real. Like,
If I ain't get dropped, like everyone else.
Alright, so what we gonna do now for the interview is we gonna let Jimmy watch the video again and we gonna come back. Because he apparently don't remember getting dropped. So we'll be back.